It's investor day for Yahoo. One point of contention for many shareholders that Yahoo took too long to disclose an ownership change in its stake in Alipay, which is a unit of Alibaba Group. Yahoo is the largest shareholder in the Chinese e-commerce company. Our next guest says today's meeting at Yahoo is all about soothing concerns. Paul Meeks is with us now. He is senior equity analyst at Capstone Investments. He has a buy rating on the stock, and he is joining us right now on the phone from Charleston, South Carolina. Paul, thanks for joining us this morning. It took Yahoo more than 5 weeks to inform investors that Alibaba spun off its Alipay online payment service. We know even Institutional Shareholder Services, an advisory firm, is actually going to review if Yahoo acted in a timely manner. You've spoken with Yahoo management. Are they on top of the issue?
They're on top of the issue. It's a sticky wicket because there are three sides to this adventure. There's Alibaba Group, there's SoftBank, and there's Yahoo US. And there are legal counsel in multiple countries, and so this is a long workout. I think what has happened is the company's been advised by legal counsel to be very careful because they are in the midst of serious negotiations about what they can and cannot say in a public forum.
But then, Paul, how can they really get out ahead of this? Because, I mean, as many people in the investment community point out, Yahoo, at the very least, should have just put out a press release.
No, I agree. I was disappointed myself, not surprised at all that Alipay had to change in some way its ownership structure and able to secure this Chinese company finance license. However, at the time, I didn't know that it was such an acrimonious split. Not that it's that much of a surprise, since there's always been tension between the parties.
But that kind of points out for people,
Jack
Paul.
Ma and Alibaba Group claims that Yahoo knew about this as early as August, and Yahoo US claims that they only found out about it March 31st. But I do agree there probably should have been a quicker and better disclosure, if at all allowed by legal counsel.
Yeah, and you raise another point, Paul, which is somewhat maybe even more disturbing for shareholders. What if Yahoo actually didn't know? That means that basically Alibaba Group has all the power. Jack Ma has more power than Carol Bartz.
And it's not even Jack Ma versus Carol Bartz. When you think about it, there's 4 members of the Alibaba Group board, including just one from Yahoo at the moment, which is actually Jerry Yang, the founder of the company. And so if there are, in my view, any egg on anybody's face, I don't know if it would be Carol Bartz, Yahoo CEO, but probably their delegate on that board, who is Jerry Yang.
Paul, Yahoo paid about $1 billion for this stake in Ali Group. What if this happens again?
Yeah, I'm worried about that. I don't think it's Alipay itself being just one of many pieces that worries me. But the crown jewel under that whole Alibaba Group umbrella is Taobao, which is Chinese biggest B2C site. And if there is a situation in which we see something happen like this again, and there's more acrimony, we have probably the loss of some value in Taobao. I don't think this is going to happen. I think there's going to be some resolution with Alipay and some greater visibility. The unfortunate thing is I don't think investors should be waiting for any firm announcement in that regard today at the analyst meeting.
How much of Yahoo's Chinese activity is actually factored into your buy rating? I mean, there's some analysts out there who say, look, it doesn't matter, that Yahoo Japan, for example, is strong enough in the region. They have enough other diversified international products and arrangements that still make Yahoo a buy. Do you agree with that? Or if there are other problems on the horizon, would that make you change your stance?
That's a very good question. I calculate, and remember, Yahoo is trading at about $16 a share. I calculate that even without Taobao, even without Alipay, just the public pieces, which is Yahoo Japan and Alibaba.com, and Yahoo's cash per share on its balance sheet comes to about $10 per Yahoo share. So my value has always been based on that, which I can calculate because it's in the public domain, in combination, which I think is way too light evaluation for Yahoo's core business. The market is telling you that it's worth 5 or 6. I think it's worth much more.
Paul, thanks. Paul Meeks joining us there on Yahoo's Investor Day.